Welcome back to the Index. My name is Megan, and I'm the editor for MongoDB's Developer Relations team. Let's talk about what we've been up to in March. First, some really exciting news. MongoDB is heading out on a world tour to bring the best content directly to you, with our first stops in Toronto and NYC, and additional cities being added soon. You can use the code COMMUNITY50 for 50% off your registration. Let's start with the latest and greatest from our advocates on Developer Center. Check out Tim's tutorial on modernizing RDBMS schemas with a MongoDB document model. Tim has a second tutorial out on Atlas Data Federation with Azure Blob Storage. Anaya will show you how to model your documents for vector search, and in collaboration with Guru, the co-founder and CTO of Narello, she'll also show you how to build a restaurant locator using Atlas, Narello, and AWS Lambda. Apoorva launched the first installment of her RAG series, sharing how to choose the right embedding model for your application. Richmond is also talking about RAG in combination with Claude 3 Opus and MongoDB. Jorge is getting creative with implementing a noise sensor with an MQTT client and an ESP32. We've got a lot more from other contributors and guest authors as well. Community creator Samuel wrote about MongoDB Atlas and Terraform. Community creator Ashik built an e-commerce search using MongoDB Vector Search and OpenAI. Zuhair and Pahud worked with MongoDB Atlas Serverless, AWS CDK, and AWS Serverless Computing. Jeff, Luca, and Rami discussed modernizing your insurance data models with MongoDB Relational Migrator. Community creator Ricardo published an article on Medium discussing MongoDB Compass and converting text into queries with AI-powered natural language. And community creator Mark Handy wrote about securing your React app with Atlas App Authentication as a follow-up to his live stream. We've got even more exciting updates coming from our community. On MongoDB TV, community creator and AWS community builder Christoph shared how GenAI works. And in early March, MongoDB community creator Danny spoke at the Awesome Women Community Summit Brazil on empowering AWS women with MongoDB and AI. Let's catch up on YouTube next. Alongside her tutorial, Anaya's got a video on Narello and MongoDB Atlas. Jorge published part 7 in his series, Adventures in IoT. Luce is talking about the MongoDB C# driver and Azure App Services, and she has a second video out on C# and Atlas full text search. Jesse is giving you the ultimate guide to the MERN stack, and Tim is discussing Java Spring Boot media storage. While you're on YouTube, be sure to visit the Live tab to see upcoming streams and also check out replays of past live streams like one of MongoDB TV's series, Code with Mark. If you haven't already, be sure to catch up on our latest podcast episodes. Host Michael sat down with Alex, the co-founder of Arc53, Chris, the co-founder and CEO at Gradient, and Vin, a seasoned AI advisor, author of From Data to Profit, and the founder of V². Every month, members of our community meet globally for what we call MongoDB user groups, or MUGs. MUG Bengaluru leaders Darshan and Pallav, in collaboration with StockGrow Bangalore, organized a meetup to delve into the realms of MongoDB and Kubernetes. The event featured dynamic talks by Fosler from Linux Foundation, as well as sessions by Harsha and Sawan from StockGrow. Special thanks to StockGrow for their unwavering support and contributions to the event's success. MUG Nairobi, led by Felix and Cliff, covered MongoDB fundamentals, highlighting its scalability, in addition to Atlas Search and autocomplete. Lai K. Yong, the amazing MUG leader in Kuala Lumpur, organized MUG KL's third meetup. The event commenced with a practical session on planning poker for real-life use cases, presented by Surendra from Standard Chartered Global Business Services. Ang from CoinGecko provided attendees with a comprehensive overview and essential tips for embarking on their MongoDB exploration. The third MongoDB meetup in Manila brought together enthusiasts for an insightful session on AI in MongoDB. Led by Ezekiel, a senior full-stack engineer at Edamama, attendees delved into the integration of MongoDB with AI, particularly in the e-commerce landscape. Special thanks to the organizers, Haifa and Seaver, for facilitating this enriching session. The Munich MongoDB user group, led by dedicated organizer and community champion Arik, in collaboration with GDG Cloud Munich, hosted an engaging gathering with a focus on MongoDB Atlas vector search. Bart, advisory solutions architect at MongoDB, led an enlightening session on the role of MongoDB Atlas vector search in powering the next generation of applications. Special thanks to Google Munich for their sponsorship. At the MongoDB user group meetup in Helsinki, industry experts Yuna and Jarkko shared their experiences with MongoDB Atlas vector search and game server implementation. Lightning talks by Regis, Christy, and Alar provided additional insights. On International Women's Day, the Hyderabad MongoDB user group celebrated the power of women in technology with a dynamic event titled Unveil Gen AI. The event showcased top-notch speakers, all women, who shared their expertise and insights on various Gen AI use cases. Mega discussed building production-ready LLM applications, followed by Nidhi from AWS, who explored securely building generative AI applications on AWS. Chitrangna delved into the Kafka conundrum, unraveling authentication and authorization challenges, while Udaya highlighted the power of artificial intelligence in agile development. Kudos to the organizers, Yashraj and Jayant, for orchestrating this inspiring event. If you haven't already, visit the MongoDB developer community to connect with like-minded folks and talk anything and everything MongoDB. Ask questions, get feedback, and see what other developers are up to. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Don't forget that there's even more information where this came from, more tutorials, more mugs, photos, events, you name it. Just scroll down and click on the link in the description below, which will take you to the written version of the index in the MongoDB developer community. Thanks for sticking around. If you made it this far, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that you never miss a new video. See you later.